Flowers make a garden a joy. They bring color, fragrance, and life to any space, transforming it into a vibrant oasis. But to truly enjoy a flourishing garden, it's essential to understand the needs of different flowers. Different flowers thrive in different environments. Some flowers are suited for the dry, arid conditions of a desert, while others flourish in the humid, lush surroundings of a tropical climate. Understanding these preferences is key to successful gardening. Some like it hot, basking in the sun's warmth, while others prefer the cool, crisp air of colder climates. Each flower has its own unique set of requirements. Choosing the right flowers for your climate is important. It ensures that your garden will not only survive but thrive. A gardener's knowledge of their local climate can make all the difference. The right flower in the right place will grow strong and bloom beautifully. It will reward you with vibrant colors and healthy growth, making your garden a true spectacle. On the other hand, the wrong flower will struggle. It may not get the nutrients it needs, or it might be exposed to conditions it can't handle. It might not flower well, and it might even die. This can be disheartening for any gardener, but it's a valuable lesson in understanding plant needs. Take time to learn about your climate. Research the types of flowers that are native to your area, or those that can adapt well to your local conditions. Think about the amount of sun and rain you get. These factors play a crucial role in the health and growth of your plants. Then you can choose the perfect flowers for your garden. With the right knowledge and a bit of planning, your garden can become a thriving, beautiful haven. The world is divided into different climate zones. These zones tell you what the weather is usually like in a place. Some zones are hot and humid. Some are cold and dry. Knowing your zone helps you choose the right plants. You can easily find your climate zone online. There are many websites with maps and information. Once you know your zone, you can start looking for flowers that thrive there. A garden can be beautiful all year round. The key is to choose flowers that bloom in different seasons. Spring is a time for bulbs like tulips and daffodils. These bring early color to the garden. Summer is perfect for roses, sunflowers, and lavender. These love the sunshine. In autumn, chrysanthemums and asters provide late color. And even in winter, some plants like hellebores can brighten your garden. Section 4. Finding your floral friends. So, how do you know which flowers grow best in your area? It can be a bit overwhelming with so many beautiful options to choose from, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Well, start by visiting your local garden center. These places are treasure troves of information and inspiration. Talk to the staff. They can tell you what grows well locally. They often have years of experience and can offer personalized advice based on your specific garden conditions. You can also look online for gardening blogs and forums specific to your region. The internet is a fantastic resource for finding detailed guides and tips from fellow gardening enthusiasts. Gardeners really love to share their knowledge. Joining a local gardening club or community group can provide you with a wealth of information and support. And don't forget to look around your neighborhood. Sometimes the best inspiration is right outside your door. What's blooming in other gardens? Observing what thrives in your local area can give you great ideas for your own garden. Happy planting! Section 5. Reaping the rewards, a garden of your own. Creating a flower garden is a rewarding experience. It's not just about the end result, but the journey itself. From selecting the perfect seeds to watching the first sprouts break through the soil, every step is filled with anticipation and joy. It takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it. The dedication you put into nurturing your plants will be reflected in the vibrant blooms and lush greenery that greet you each day. Imagine stepping out into your own little paradise, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and find peace and tranquility among the flowers. The colors and scents of your flowers will lift your spirits. Each bloom adds a splash of color to your life, and the sweet fragrances can transport you to a world of calm and relaxation. Gardening is also a great way to connect with nature. Feeling the soil between your fingers, hearing the rustle of leaves, and watching the bees and butterflies visit your flowers can be incredibly grounding and therapeutic. You'll learn about the seasons and the rhythm of the natural world. Each season brings its own unique beauty and challenges, teaching you patience and resilience as you adapt to the changing conditions. So get out there and get planting. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, there's always room to grow something beautiful. You'll be amazed at what you can create. With a little love and care, your garden can become a sanctuary, a place of beauty and serenity that you can enjoy for years to come.